Hello everyone and welcome to our next episode. In this episode we are going to work on our front end. We're going to disassemble the front suspension, change the oil, change the seals. We're going to check the bearings to see it steers right, and we're going to prepare our front fender for circumcision.
I got a bad feeling now.
No worry.
Okay, time to take the front apart.
No, my friend. I think you don't fully understand the importance of this element. Let me explain it for you.
Okay.
Front fork is made of inner tube and outer tube with oil and spring as shock absorbing elements. We prepared a detailed post in our Instagram. The link is below in description. Ed,
What?
what are you doing?
Check Instagram?
Not his Instagram, our Instagram.
His Instagram more interesting.
Casanova. How do you want to disassemble this important element if you are not listening to me?
No worry.
Craftsman's unboxing shit.
So, welcome to our Craftsman unboxing sheet. Okay, in this little tiny box is a universal speedometer with tachometer and all the necessary stuff. Eventually we even have an instruction here. I hope it will be in English and not in Chinese. That's cute. Ed will definitely need it. So what we've got here is a tachometer until 12,000 RPM, turn signals indicator, neutral, high beam, and I guess it will be some kind of emergency winkers that we I don't think we have it on our bike. Here we got the speed and the additional information. Well, it looks cute. Of course, its box is plastic with here I think it is a reset button or something. It looks nice, it's good, it's unbranded with cute. It's some kind of additional indicator with a little lamp on it. A special bracket. I don't know if we will use it, so I will keep it safe. And a couple of magnets. I think we are good. So far, so good.